Hello guys, welcome again to my video. For today's video guys, mangunguha tayo ng grapes. Magmumukbang tayo ng grapes. Okay, so guys, grapes. Ito, charan, grapes guys. Tingnan nyo, ito yung grapes na sinabi ko guys. Grapes. Tikman natin yung grapes ko guys. Kung masarap na ba siya guys. Maasim. Asim guys. Hilaw pa ata to guys. Ang asim. Ang asim guys. Ito guys oh. Ito. Ito pa. Kuha tayong marami guys. Makamaubusan tayo. Inog guys.
Inog guys. May inog. May inog mo.